From Kuala Lumpur, we took 3 short, cheap flights with AirAsia to explore Malaysia. We got a good, cheap hotel room in Langkawi. It doesn't really need to be set up for accessibility as long as it's more or less on the ground floor and the doorways aren't too narrow. I can get around just fine. It's a bit of fun actually getting around where it's not all easy and you have to figure things out. We got back just in time. So Camilla is a great help for getting me out and doing things, but we didn't take the cable because it wasn't really set up for disabilities. The Skyway thing was out of action, so we went to explore the local jungle instead, and that was really cool. Saw some ants and monkeys.
Yeah, because maybe they're poisonous or something.
Yeah, this is monkey territory, Camilla. I think we're being hunted, Camilla. Do you reckon there's a huge big group of monkeys gathering just behind our heads and these ones are just the decoys?
Go. It's too close. It will bite your leg, Nick.
On 5 times zoom.
It's really close, but they can run and you cannot. Nick, come. It's too close.
I can roll and
you
they
see
cannot.
It's angry. Or maybe it was you, Nick. I'm not sure, but there are more of them. She's calling the whole family. Nick.
What?
It's really close.
It's alright.
Okay.
Hello. Hello, soldier. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi,
Bite
oi.
your leg, you'll be in trouble.
It's not going to bite my leg.
Why not?
If I bite its leg, it will be in trouble. Oh, you're so tall.
You're not even recording.
Hello, Gobber. How's it hanging? Can't remember what they say in Australia. G'day, mate. The next day was my rest day in Langkawi. In the afternoon we went to the pool by the hotel. And this painting was on the day we flew out, and unfortunately we left it at the next airport, so this is all I have left of it. The whole flight only 10,000 feet. Penang is a much busier place, an ex-British colony. So after 3 nights in Langkawi, 3 nights here. Monkeys hunting for food.
So funny. Don't run it over. I think you can even touch it. It's touching your wheelchair. It's so cool. It's like coming and like touching the wheelchair. It's like coming.
Cheeky monkey.
If you have food, probably not. But if you don't have food, it's okay.
Oh, that's a bit healthier than ice cream, isn't it? Missed the monkey porn earlier. Monkey style. Is this monkey foreplay?
Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. Magic. Because of chili, no?
No, you can't feed it. No!
Yeah, it's very spicy.
Before my accident, I was keen to go out and explore the mountains in particular, and now that's not quite as practical as it used to be. However, there's lots of interesting things you can do, and like with unpowered flight, there's limits which depend on the situation, but figuring out what you can do is part of the fun. Watching monkeys, you see how they interact with their environment. It's great. I always think that you shouldn't think too much before you decide what you can and can't do. Perhaps just go and try it first. Exploring around Kuala Lumpur had lots of these kinds of mini problems to find solutions to. Catching a cab is easy, but figuring out how to get up the steps onto a bus, for example, opens up your options. So yeah, a good old explore in the tropics.